Welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Champagne coming to you with a great video today. So I got a few things that I'm going to be doing in today's video. This will be an unboxing video and I'll be showing you how to use this lovely Hydra, and I'm just going to say it right here because this is the name of the machine. I'll be showing you how to use this 7-in-1 Spa Hydra Water Facial Cleaner Peel Hydro Dermabrasion Beauty Machine from Mychway. So this is a collaboration and I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, showing you guys how this machine works and how to use it. Now, if you guys been watching me on my channel for some time, I've had a so-called alternative hydrofacial machine and the hydrofacial tool stopped working. So that was the only reason why it didn't work out for me. So glad to be collaborating with Mychway in regards to this machine, because I really did love my machine, but my hydrofacial tool stopped working. So anywho, in today's video, I'm going to be doing just that, unboxing. So this is a 7-in-1, you guys, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to set it up and how to use it. I'll also be reviewing notes strictly from my CHA website in regards to this machine. I'm just reading it straight from there so you guys can kind of know more about the machine as I show you how to put this machine together. So here, this is the code hammer right here, and I'll show you guys. This is the code hammer. I love the code hammer, by the way. It feels really great. Definitely if you have like a gel mask or even like your serum and you're putting it on, it feels wonderful. The next, which is the important one that makes this machine does what it do, is the Hydra Dermabrasion handle. It comes with like everything you need to put it together. I love that it's organized like that and it's not separated. You got the different types of hydrodermabrasion tips, and then you got the sponges, the little, I forget what these were called, but we'll talk about them. And then you have the hydrodermabrasion hand tool right here. That looks really sleek, by the way. Look at that, just beautiful. So this is something new that I really like. This right here is the LED mask. Okay, so it's literally a mask that you put over your client. I love that. Now moving on, we have the multipolar RF handle. So this handle employs radio frequency waves to heat up the skin, you guys, which helps promote collagen production. In other words, it helps to tighten up the skin. So if you want that skin tightened up, you don't want no laxed. Is that right? Lax skin? That might be what it is. That word just makes me laugh, but it helps to tighten up the skin. This is the oxygen sprayer right here. I really love how the oxygen sprayer feels on the skin, you guys. It feels amazing. Again, I love how they got everything together. It just makes sense. You don't have to go search for what you need. It's all in the same bag. We have the skin scrubber and the ultrasonic import tool. So these both come in the same bag. Boop, boop. The skin scrubber to help clear those pores out, right? And then the ultrasonic, it accelerates and absorbs of skincare products, ensuring that their essence reaches the depths of your skin. So that's what this tool here is for and about. And then this right here is the power cord. Luckily, I'm not a stranger to these type of machines, so hopefully it could go by kind of quick putting this baby together. This is the machine right here, and then I'm just going to show you. So I have solution as well. I'm going to show you guys that, but you put the solutions in each one. Okay, I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see. So this is the back part, you guys. So here, this is where the waste comes in out. So when you're using your hydrodermabrasion tool and the serums are getting pumped, the serums and the water from the H2O is getting pumped into your skin. When it comes out, it goes into here. Since I actually kind of have this here, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it to the side. This is the power cord right there. And so we're going to go ahead and hook the power cord up here. So boom. Okay, you want to make sure it's in there. I'm going to turn this baby back around. I'm going to plug it up real quick for you guys. We're going to turn it off right now. So as you guys can see, if you're wondering where to put these handheld devices, it literally tells you. So this is for the code hammer. This is for the RF frequency. This is for the spray. And so it literally tells you where to plug in your handheld devices. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's start with the hydrofacial one. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Boom. It's literally self-explanatory, you guys. And then boom, that goes right there. Same for this one. They have little holes too, so it literally shows you. And then you just twist. This one you have to twist on. You push in and then you twist on. The skin scrubber one. Okay, and then we're gonna lock it in by twisting it so it doesn't go anywhere. And we're gonna twist that baby on right there. And this is kind of like, so this little groove right here is the top part. It's even labeled top. So you'll know exactly how to put it in. Top, boom, twist. The sprayer, I didn't show you guys, but the sprayer in the hydrofacial has the same type of plug-in. And I do think that's because of the water and solution that has to go through here, the solution. Just push that in there like that. That's all you do with that one. You just push it in there. Okay. And bam. We have our machine hooked up and ready to go. So this is for the mask. This is hooked up literally on the side, right? You'll see a little groove and you just push it in there and twist it. So I'm going to be going in a little bit more about the devices here and the tools. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on over here on the side. That's the power button. And then it's going to eventually come on. It's going to show some bubbles and stuff. It does this, but if you touch the screen, it takes you to the main screen. So if you see bubbles going on, just touch the main screen and it'll take you to the main screen. So here on the main screen, you see the scrubber, you see the ultrasound, you see the RF, you see the mask. Then on the side here, you see the abrasion, the cold hammer, and the spray. That is what you're gonna see here. Okay, so I kind of wanted to talk about the mode. So the mode is gonna be like the intensity, and so you just pick which one you want. 3 is the recommended usage for most of the tools here. So you just hit the mode and then you just set it. So 3, and I think I could just do all of them like that. Yeah. And then 3, I'm just gonna do 3 for all of them. But just kind of look at the manual more when using this. Kind of watch some videos myself on this machine. It's always good to, like, even though you guys are watching my video, I'm giving you a rough draft on the basics of how to use the machine. But it's always good to watch videos from the actual company or other related videos. You guys can watch my video as well because I'm showing how to put this machine together as well. That's just the modes. And then this right here is the perimeter of how long do you want to use each device, and that ranges from 3 to 5 minutes for most of them. Okay, and I think the recommended time for the RF is 10 minutes, but that's what that is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine off. Then we're going to install the solutions. The solution I don't think come with the machine, but you can get the solution from the website Mychway. They have the solutions there, but the blue goes with A. Twist it on, put it back in there, so you hear that click sound and it's locked in. We're going to do the other one. We're going to use the SA2 for this one. Got that. And then the last one, A3, we're going to pour that solution in there. So we got those all in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the water, put the H2O in here. So we're going to twist that off, and we're going to put the distilled water right in here. We're going to make sure that it's twisted thoroughly on there. So that's the H2O, that is the wastewater and everything else that goes in it, right? We got all our solutions and stuff in place and intact. These are the different knobs. I know you guys may not be able to see, but you'll just make sure it's on. This little knob right here, the first knob, this is how you control the water coming out. So they have max all the way down to minimum. So the pressure of the water, that's going to be this knob. This is going to be you selecting A, B, or C to use for each solution. The A solution is to cleanse and exfoliate and hydrate. The B solution is oil control, exfoliate and hydrate. And then the C solution is going to be your vitamin C serum hydrate. Now if you want to use the H2O water that's in the back of the machine, select D, the letter D as in dog, D as in dog, to use the H2O water in the back. And that's pretty much how you use it. I am going to go ahead and just kind of show you guys how to set up this handpiece here. So it already has its rings on there, so that's perfect. We're just going to put a filter on there and then a head cap. Now they have various types of head caps, from flat to slanted. It just depends on the esthetician choice as far as what they want to use per skin. And then it's like a little opening in the center. You're just going to push it through that little opening in the center. And you want to replace these, you know, as frequent as they need to be. There's a couple of filters provided already, so that's a good thing. And then I'm just picking a head at this moment. It doesn't matter which one you use at this point, because I'm just demonstrating. So here's a head right here, and I'm literally going to twist that baby on there as such. Those little red rings is to prevent water from leaking from the device, okay? We're going to go ahead and test this out. We're going to start with putting it on D as in dog, get some H2O going on the skin just to test it out. We're going to turn the machine on, okay? And I got it on like max, like between a little bit of max. So there it is right there. So as you guys can see, it's pretty cool. I like it. Let's turn it to A. Let's see what it does for A. It's good just to test it out. Test it out, y'all. Test it out. Pretty good. It's working. I like it. I like it. So it worked. Now I'm going to eventually test this out in real life as if I was doing a service. Abrasion one works. We're going to go ahead and hook up this sprayer. The other ones are going to be pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to show you guys exactly how that looks when doing a service here. So what we're going to do is, they tell you to put like a toner serum, a 2-to-1 ratio inside this right here. So, and that's fine, and that's all good and stuff, and we're going to do that. But I'm just going to go ahead, you put one of those bands around there on that glass. That's what I just did. I put a band over there so the water won't leak out. So I'm going to put a little bit of distilled water in there, literally like that. This is what y'all see. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this vitamin C serum hydrate. And you guys are probably wondering, why are you doing that? And that's in there. I mean, I'm just mixing it. It doesn't hurt to spray it on the skin. It's a serum. You can use a toner, but I'm going in with this. So then you go ahead and you put it on as such. So as you see, it's not leaking because we got that rubber band thing over there. So just to show you what that looks like, it feels so good. Y'all see that? Look at that. And so we're going to get started, okay? So we're going to actually do a service. I'm actually going to perform a service to show you guys what it looks like and how it works. First thing first, you want to cleanse the skin, and that's what you see me here doing. Then I'm going to go in with these disposable sponges to wipe the skin off. Keep in mind, I'm just really more so demonstrating. This is not like an actual complete service, but I just wanted to show you guys how the devices work. But as you see here, I am going in with some I think those are 4x4 cloths that I have, but I'm using some exporting liquid to help soften up those pores, to help cleanse her pores. So I'll leave that on for about 5 minutes. Then I'm taking those off. Then I'm going to go in with the hydrofacial probe, and I'm going to start with little twists, as you guys can see. So this helps to deep cleanse the skin. It extracts dirt, reduces acne, removes grease effectively. So this is really great for the skin. And I really wished I did a before and after picture, because her skin was literally glowing. Like literally. after the service, and the next day she got like 3 compliments the next day. So she told me that herself. So yep, and she really loves how it feels on her skin. I've actually used this on me like I want to say about 3 times before, and I love the results. I used a similar machine, but yeah, she loved this hydrofacial device. Yeah, so a good rule of thumb, you can go twice vertical and twice horizontal. Just alternate between the 2. But this is for demonstrating purposes only. Just showing you guys how the devices work. And keep in mind, if you do decide to purchase this machine and find that something was wrong, the company has an after sales guaranteed, and if customers find like any faults with the machine, they can contact their customer service at any time, and their service team will provide after sales service. So it'll be 1 year for the mainframe and 3 months for the probes. And it's just good for us as business owners and estheticians to help, keep profits in our business and to help replace the machine as soon as we need to. Here you see me using the skin scrubber on her face. So this is high frequency vibrations, which helps remove dead skin and refreshes complexion. So this is just an extra step to exfoliating that skin. And you guys, I was not able to show you the LED mask, but that helps treat acne, sun damage, improve skin tone and texture. Going in with that oxygen sprayer, which optimizes nutrients, delivering essential nourishment to the skin. I really love that sprayer. Now I'm going in with that ultrasonic probe, which enhances deep absorption of skincare products, boosting nutrients. So this is just going to help absorb them skincare products into the skin, okay? This one she really liked as well. So this is my fave, the cold hammer. I really love the cold hammer. So this helps open pores for nutrient soothes and minimize pores. So I really love this cold hammer. I do really feel the soothing effect when using this device. Now I'm using the RF handle, which this device promotes collagen. It tightens and firms the skin using radio frequency waves, you guys. And remember, I'm just demonstrating. I'm not doing this in any order. I just want you guys to see how to use the product. Click the link in my bio and use my discount code SBEAesthetics30 to save $30 off. And you can also click the link in the video description as well to purchase your machine today. Enjoy!